All right, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to week 2 of ESPN SportsCenter Presentation. Warning, there is a lot to do this week. All right, so we are starting prepositions this week, which I'm going to warn you, they are much more difficult than interjections. All right, so what I have for you this week is we are using what's called grammar flip. So I actually sent you an email last week that is having you register for Grammar Flip. So you can go to your email or use this link right here. That will take you into the class code. If you have any difficulty, please let me know. Now, I've divvied up assignments for the week. So for Monday, you are watching video 1.22 prepositions on Grammar Flip. So you are going to log on to Grammar Flip. All right. Once you get in, it is going to give you a list of things. You're going to go down to 1.22. All right. I've also assigned it to you. I'm not sure how that looks on your end. So what you will do is there's a video going through prepositions. Then there's also like a little PowerPoint that's there to help you as well with various prepositions. So you will then scroll down because you are going to complete diagnostic prepositions, PE1 prepositions, PE2 prepositions, PE3 prepositions, and the post evaluation. So if you go back to the original, that is your Monday activity. Tuesday, I am asking that you write your Sports Center script. All right. I will meet up with you at our regular scheduled Google Meet time on Tuesday. We'll talk a little bit about your script, and I'll be there to kind of reaffirm everything you need to do for prepositions. Thursday, you will then again log into Grammar Flip. You are going to be doing 1.23 object of the prepositions video on Grammar Flip. So again, once you are in, what you will do is, and again, mine looks a little bit different than yours because mine is the teacher view, but I'm just going to go down to 1.23, object of the prepositions, click on that. Just like before, you have a little video to watch that's going to teach you about object of prepositions. There's also a little PowerPoint to help you go through object of the prepositions. Just like Monday, you're going to complete the different exercises. So you're going to complete the diagnostic, PE1, PE2, PE3, and also the post evaluation. Both days, do not worry about writing application. I'm not going to worry about that. Okay. So it's like I said, a lot of work. So I'm thinking if you work Monday on prepositions, Thursday on object of prepositions, and use your Tuesday to write your script. So what I've provided for you is just a little replay. Remember, you're giving a play-by-play. You want to include at least 3 interjections and 3 prepositions. They should be highlighted in your script. So I've given you room at the bottom here to write your script. Make sure you include name of athletes, where and when this activity is being held. All right, what happened, pivotal points and results, ending score, that kind of thing, as well as your interjections and prepositions. I actually give you a little link here for listen to announcer. So there's an announcer called Dick Vitale. He is infamous if you watch college basketball, and he gets so super excited. So in order to kind of get that dimension, we want to show that excitement, that fluency, as we present. So use that to kind of help you out. It's a whole mishmash of all the different things he did. And like I said, he's over the top, but it's a great one to do because most of the sports announcers behave that way. All right. So this second page here is where you're going to write your script. It doesn't need to be too long. I would say no longer than 5 minutes. Okay. But please make sure you're specific because some of you, I know in your planning, I was giving you more details. You put baseball. Well, there's different baseball players. I need to know the players' names. All right. And also you want to talk in certain situations, their position. Is it a defensive play in, football, or basketball? Is the pitcher pitching the ball in like a baseball and softball scenario? So you want to make sure you include it. Those of you that are doing Puppy Bowl, there's several of you that are doing that. That's like a football game. So again, there's different plays and, groups of players that are working together. So you want to make sure you include all that. All right. Give it very detailed scenario, taking us through. Think about it too, beginning, middle, end of the game. All right. So again, I apologize, but you got a lot to do this week. All right. You're going to be doing prepositions on Grammar Flip on Monday. You're writing your Sports Center script on Tuesday. And on Thursday, you're working on your Grammar Flip object of the prepositions activities. All right. So I will give you until Friday again to kind of figure all this out. I am warning you, make sure you're paying close attention. Next Thursday will be your final test of fifth grade. I will post up a prepositions test. So it will not only talk about prepositions and objects of the prepositions. Next week, we'll also talk about prepositional phrases. So it will add that. So please, if you're having any difficulty, let me know. I can always work with you on small groups or one-on-one. All right. You have a great week, and I will see you all on Tuesday. Thank you.